Welcome. In this tutorial, we will be covering an overview of the Combined Environmental Regulatory Information System, North Dakota, also called CERIS-ND. CERIS-ND is a single electronic portal for the regulated community to submit applications, registrations, regulatory notifications, reports, etc. CERIS-ND also has a module called the Site Map Explorer for public access of the department records, and a module for the public to provide comment during public comment periods. At this time, only the Division of Air Quality is using CERIS-ND. Other programs within the Department of Environmental Quality may migrate to CERIS-ND in the future. This tutorial series will focus on the basic features of CERIS-ND for the regulated community and the public, with a focus on air quality applications, registrations, reports, and notifications. First, how to access CERIS-ND. If you navigate to the Department of Environmental Quality's website, and this website is deq.nd.gov, you'll see a series of navigation links on the left-hand side under DEQ Resources. Under DEQ Resources, you will see a link called Electronic Reporting and Permit Systems. When you click on this will take you to a listing of all electronic systems used by programs within the DEQ. As you scroll down, you'll see a section entitled Combined Environmental Regulatory Information System, North Dakota. Here you will see two links. One link will take you to the main login page for registered users. The other link will take you straight to our Site Explorer to view open records. In this area, we also have a listing of help documents and FAQs that will be updated. You'll also see a listing of all programs, submission types, form names, their use, and whether or not they require a Chrome Air approval. This listing currently includes all of the forms that are available and will be updated as more forms are developed. As stated before, currently only the Division of Air Quality notifications, reports, applications, and registrations are currently in CERIS-ND. That being said, all of the Division of Air Quality's communication from a regulatory perspective can be submitted through CERIS-ND with the exception of the annual emission inventory reports. That uses a separate system called the State and Local Emission Inventory System, or SLICE, and a link to that can also be found on this page. To access CERIS-ND, simply click the Access CERIS-ND link and it will take you over to our splash page. This is the main landing page for CERIS-ND. It's divided into two main sections. The first section is for our regulated community, where you can register as a user and access all of the department records for your facility, submit notifications, communications, applications, and reports. And here's a public notice search for any public notices that are currently going on within the Division of Air Quality, including the documents for review and an ability for the public to submit comments electronically using the system. We also have the Site Map Explorer over here, which will take you to a map view of facilities that are in CERIS-ND. Once again, only the Division of Air Quality facilities are currently in CERIS-ND, with other sites migrating in the future. This is a map user interface where a person could scroll in and look geographically for sites. You can also type in a permit name, API well number, or a facility name and find one there. Once you click into an area and into a site, you can see information pertaining to that site, including documents and permits. These two areas under the Public Services, Public Notice Search and Site Map Explorer, do not require registered users. However, for our regulated community, they do require a user account. In this tutorial video, we'll overview how to set up an account and gain access to a facility for the regulated community.